In this video, I'm going to show you the move command. So the move command that I'm going to use is on the home ribbon. It's under the modify panel, and it's this icon right here for move. Lots of ways you can get to the move icon though. You can, you can do the modify pull down menu and select move. You can type in the word M-O-V-E, or you could even just type in the letter M and press enter. So I'm going to click on the icon, start the command. It says to select objects. The important thing to do here is to read what AutoCAD is asking you for. I've got my dynamic input turned on, so it's prompting me right there at my cursor. It is also prompting me down at the command line down here. It's telling me what it needs me to do. So select objects. When I'm done selecting objects, I need to press enter. I can select multiple objects. I'll go ahead and select two. AutoCAD does not know when I'm done selecting objects. So in order to tell AutoCAD that I'm done selecting objects, I need to press enter. Once I've pressed enter, it says select a base point, and the base point is where you're going to be holding it. So sometimes your base point doesn't really matter if you just need to move it from one spot to another, but if you need to be really, really precise, let's say maybe this endpoint here needs to snap to the midpoint right here, then we need to make sure that we're picking it up in a very precise place. So I'll go ahead and select this. Now, I did select two objects when I did the move command, so both of these squares will move, or rectangles. I'm going to click here at the endpoint. They're both moving. And then I'll snap to the midpoint here, and they both moved. Once you click where you want the object to go, the destination for that object, the command ends. So it does not stay active. I've got this command right here. I did the move command. Let's see, let's try it again. I'm going to do move, select the objects, press enter. Really have to remember to press enter when you're done. Select a base point, and then click where you want it to go. You can do it in an opposite direction, so AutoCAD allows for noun-verb and verb-noun selection with all of the modify commands. Noun-verb being select the object, then say move. Verb-noun being say move, then select the object. If I do it the other way, I can select the object, start the move command. The nice thing is here it doesn't ask me to specify or I don't have to press enter. It knows I've already selected all the objects that I need to select. So then I can just select my base point, click here, and I was able to move that object right over there. So that's the move command. The key to that command is if you do it verb-noun, where you say move and then you select the objects, you have to press enter when you're done selecting objects.